Okay guys, so today we're looking at the top 5 fat burning foods on keto. If that's what you're looking for, stay tuned. Okay guys, so top 5 foods that assist in fat burning, and these are going to be quite interesting because it's more complicated than just thinking, oh, they're going to be really fatty. Right, so the main idea is, let's get on to number 1. Okay guys, food number 1, avocado. So, avocados, why are they fantastic for fat burning? So, if you look here, you can see that they do have 2 grams of carb, 1.8 to 2 grams per half an avocado, a decent sized avocado. So you do get some carbs from them, but that's not the main point. The main point behind it is that they're absolutely packed with omega-3 oils, monounsaturated, and also at the same time that's going to give you a fantastic fuel source, and that's going to then be conducive to just have tons of energy for you to burn. And it's only fats, and they're good fats. So avocados come in at number 1. You can see here you've got promotes satiety and energy, helps keep you full longer and maintains a steady energy supply. Excellent source of fiber and vitamins, packed with vitamins K, E, C, B5 and B6, folate and potassium. So you can see there you're getting a whole range of your vitamins, but the most important part there is you've got potassium. Potassium is there for your electrolytes, and you need that as well. So this fantastic source of healthy fats is going to be also combining to make sure you assist and get through keto flu. So these shortages of electrolytes, no problem with your avocado. It's also good because it supports heart health, weight management, and stable blood sugar on keto. So an awesome addition to your keto diet. Now, moving on to number 2. So number 2 here is, again, salmon, a fantastic fatty fish. Doesn't always just have to be salmon. There's a whole array of fishes, and you can go and have a look on my channel. You'll find I will also combine several different types of fish that are conducive for fat burning and are good, healthy, zero carb sources for keto. Now, what you can see here is you've got rich in omega-3 fats, promotes heart health, brain function, and reduces inflammation. Less than 0.5 grams net carbs per average serving. So again, it's a rough estimate, and the whole idea is that you can have down and up. It's an excellent protein source. It helps with muscle health, preserves lean body mass, and promotes satiety. So you've got a fantastic source of protein and fat. You can fry it with butter, delicious. Now, packed with vitamins and minerals, rich in vitamin D, B12, selenium and potassium. Again, a fantastic help there. You've got obviously potassium and you've got vitamin D. If you're doing keto, I always advise that you should be taking supplements. This then helps additionally to top up them and also to give you everything you need. Now, I'll obviously include some supplements in the description if you want to click on them. Now, here we have packed with we've got metabolic benefits, improves insulin sensitivity, and supports overall health on keto. So that again is an amazing thing that you have to understand. There's so many things here that are beneficial from salmon, and you have other fatty fishes that also can do a very similar job. Salmon is fantastic though, top notch. Now moving on to food number 3. Okay guys, so now you have coconut oil. So this is quite interesting because coconut oil is akin to MCT oils or medium chain triglycerides. And why is this? Because it's there and conducive to help to make ketones. So it helps make ketones, it quickly gets them done, gets it efficient, get it into your burning, and then you're obviously being in ketosis quicker and more conducively. So obviously there are no carbs for coconut oil. You have whole host of benefits. So you can see here you've got quick energy source, quickly absorbed and converted into ketones for rapid energy, ideal for physical and mental boost. It's got promotes ketosis, less than 0.0 net carbs per serving, directly supports a fat burning state, brain health and focus. So ketones are there, and they're there for fantastic, clean, stable energy, and these are helping make them the precursors of these medium chain triglycerides. So much more conducive, immediately available. You are going to be able to make your ketones and be super clear, focused energy. Metabolic boost may increase metabolic rate and fat oxidation, less likely to be stored as body fat. So this is the main idea that you can see now. It's really conducive because it is trying to be burnt and sorted out immediately. That's why you need it for the ketones. Now, moving on, guys, to food number 4. So we can see here nuts and seeds. Now this is a mixed bag, and I'm going to mention it because I've got another video that focuses just on the top 8 seeds and the top 8 nuts. Now, why is that? Well, first of all, you have to mention that they're not all nuts and seeds. You have different things. For example, some are legumes, such as peanuts, and so on. So the botanical actual classification of them, you can forget that and just think nuts and seeds. Now, the ones that we see as that, you'll find obviously on there, and you can see that I've sorted them out there for you. Here, I'll just tell you some of the basic information. There are, first of all, the top main seeds. You've got flax seeds, they're always seen as pretty much as one of the top, and also you have the top 3 nuts, macadamia, pecans and walnuts, and they're full of nutrients, so they're absolutely awesome. So here we go, let's have a look here. Perfect nutrient balance, a balanced mix of healthy fats, fiber and protein for complete nutrition. So awesome, but that bit of fiber is fantastic as well. You need fiber on keto, and these are one of those places you can get it. Fantastic. Effective hunger management, sustains satiety, reduces the urge to snack, and helps maintain a calorie deficit. So very simple and straightforward. We understand that you're going to be feeling full for longer. There's no big issues here. So what you can also see is that when you are obviously full and satiated, you burn more fat because you don't eat as often, or you don't eat as much. So the main idea there is it's promoting fat burning. Okay guys, so obviously nuts are going to help satiety, and we understand that in this kind of sense. You also have a wide variety of these, so you've got tons to look at. You've got almonds, you've got a whole range of things, but there are some you must avoid. For example, cashews are one you should avoid. Look at the nuts, go look on the video, you'll understand which ones are going to help you and those are going to hinder you. So fantastic for, as I said, variety. You've got chia seeds as well. That's number 4. Let's go on to food number 5. Okay guys, so this is an interesting one. Yes, it's leafy greens. So leafy greens are very important on the keto diet. 0.8 grams of carb roughly. Again, it varies depending on which one. You understand why is this on my fantastic fat burning? Well, because this will give you fantastic nutrients and very low in carbs. You need it. So the main idea is once you get it and you help your metabolic functions with all the nutrients, you are going to burn fat more efficiently, and you'll do it brilliantly overall with the nutrients you need. So here we go, let's have a look. Lowest calorie, high nutrient density. So extremely low in net carbs and calories, less than 1 gram net carbs per standard cup. So very good there. Packed with dietary fiber, promotes a healthy gut and digestion, supporting overall keto metabolic function. Abundant in essential vitamins, so rich in vitamin A, C, K, B vitamins, and powerful antioxidants for cellular health. Vital minerals and electrolytes, high in magnesium, potassium, calcium and manganese, essential for a keto electrolyte balance. So that's why it's going to be conducive for fat burning. It gives you loads of nutrients you need. It sorts out your metabolic function. You don't get cravings because you're lacking stuff. You're not sitting there going, I must eat some more food because I'm lacking something. You're going, oh, I'm perfect here. My metabolic functions are all taking place. Spot on. Now, this is very simple, guys. I hope you like the 5 foods there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, please, and subscribe. Also, guys, any questions, pop them in the comments there, and I'll do my best to answer them. I'll see you on the next one.